Hello folks, this is Tech 20 and this is another video. We're going to be covering becoming a developer, software engineer, etc., on down the lines. If this is the kind of stuff that you're looking at on your screen that kind of makes you go, how would I want to know how to do that? That's exactly why you're here. So if you want to become like a web developer, develop programs, that sort of thing, software engineer entails all of it. What I'm going to be covering here today is doing the web portion of it. Um, and we're going to go ahead and go over the different languages that make that up. Some of them, not all of them. There are a lot of different other libraries and languages that make it up, but this will get you kind of on a firm footing. The first thing you need to realize is that there are three different paths in this career field. You can either become a front-end developer, where you're doing design, so if making aesthetically pleasing websites is your thing, you're going to want to be in front end. Back end, if you're more of a data analytical person, you're going to want to be doing the back end where you're gathering the data and making formulations and forecasts and all that. And then if you like both, then you're going to be a full stack web developer. So for front end, the three programs that you're going, not programs, but things that you're going to have to learn is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I almost said coding because it's coding, but it's HTML is not a language per se. It is a markup language. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and it's basically just a markup code. We'll get into that when we get into HTML a little bit more in future videos. CSS is more along the lines of design, and JavaScript is your bones. So when you're looking at HTML, you're looking at building a house. You're looking at the framework, the drywall, that sort of things. Tells things where it's going to go, where the windows are going to go, where the door is going to go, where the garage door is going to go, how the rooms are going to be laid out, and what's going to be in each room. So that way you have a good foundation there. And then when you're looking at CSS, which is your cascading style sheets, that's what that stands for. And basically that's your paint, that's your flowers, that's putting in all the decorations, putting up the framework, the frames, the posters, the murals on the wall, and how everything is getting arranged in the house, more along the lines of that. And then you have JavaScript, which is your bare bones, pull it out of the wall. You're working with the electricity, your plumbing, making that website work, making that website interactive, making it do the functionality that you want it to do. Now that covers pretty much front end. There are some other things such as React, which is the most popular library for JavaScript. Makes things a lot easier and gives you a lot more capabilities and a lot more power. You have Node.js, which is also a requirement for doing JavaScript as well. And we'll cover both of those in future videos. And if you're looking more towards the coding or the design aspect, you're looking at Python, which is a little bit more in-depth as far as a programming language is concerned. Then if you're looking at just backend, you're looking at like the databases like MongoDB or MySQL or PostgreSQL. Any of those would work for you. Now, as far as careers in this field, you can range anywhere from 50,000 to six figures, and well into the six figures as far as this career is concerned. But one thing you're going to be doing in this career is you are going to be watching a lot of code. You're going to be doing a lot of Googling. So in the course of a day, you're basically probably writing code maybe 25%. The rest of it is meetings or stand-ups, getting information, deciding how the code's going to be distributed, who's going to write what. And then also during the day, you're going to be searching for code. Debugging is a big thing, making sure that I messed up somewhere. Where did I mess up? Finding that, and then moving on from there. So these are some things that you can do as you learn how to code. Hope you found this video informative or helpful. And if you can, please just leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.